Hello everyone, this is Rick. What I have here is a 2022 Pro Z 972 SD. It's 35 horsepower, made for inclines. I can tell you this thing is a billy goat when it comes to mowing on hills. Problem I was having though, trying to change blades. If you ever had something like this, it is very hard. This thing weighs 1,800 pounds. When the deck is up the whole way, you can't get up underneath it. Now I saw on YouTube videos where Toro and John Deere had attachments on the front where you could hook up a jack. Now of course, Cadet does not have that feature or an accessory. So I went and made my own. As you can see, it works pretty well. There's plenty of room to get up underneath there for a impact to get to the blades. Of course, if you're going to get up underneath it, I would definitely use jack stands just in case. But for all necessities, this has worked out really well. Now, how I made this was I went to Tractor Supply, and they have the area where they got spare metal. And right here is a 4-foot section of the thickest metal that they had. I got it, cut it in half, welded it together multiple times to make sure that it would have a good weld to it. And then I went and bought a Bulldog 2,000 pound 15-inch swivel mount trailer jack, as you can see here, and it worked out good. Now I welded the bracket onto the bottom section of the metal, and it worked out good. When I took it off, this Cadet comes with all these bolts. I took the bolts out of the bottom, measured up the distance, drilled holes into the metal, went to back to Tractor Supply, got me some grade 8 bolts, and then mounted it all back together. Now I've had this thing up when I first did it, which was about 2 months ago, and I let it sit just like this over a weekend, and it held great. So it definitely will hold it, and it's definitely a plus when it comes to trying to get up underneath it. Now I don't know if I can do this. Let's see. Trying to find a way that my camera can stay up and you can see me take it down. Alright, there we go. Okay, so right now it's up the whole way. Of course, this takes a few minutes. you go. The thing I do like about it, I can just do this if I wanted to. So when I travel with it, I can have it with me at all times. It doesn't interfere with the wheels, make the full turns and everything. Now we'll say, to help with the incline, because as you go up with these things, it kind of leans. I did put chain link adapters and welded them in place on the back side of the metal. That way it would give me an angle. So when it's down, from the side, you can see that it's at an angle. So as it raises, it straightens out. So hopefully this will be helpful to someone else. And this basically cost me, I got the jack on sale. Metal wasn't that much. I think it was under $80, and just my own time to do it. If it helps anybody else, hopefully it does. Like I said, this is a great mower. It is big. I have a lot of property to cut, and this actually helps a whole lot. Thanks for watching.